all day of business since the renovations. ABC 53's Maria Toko was there and shows us its story.
For once, library officials are refusing to keep quiet. They want to get the word out to everyone. The South Lansing Library has nearly doubled in size and is now ready for you. Visitors Jennifer and Jessica are always able to convince their grandfather to take them to the library.
Anytime that they don't have to go to school, library is the first priority.
Even with the library in its old condition,
it was small and crowded, and there were always little kids running around and you couldn't do anything.
The girls still loved it. That's why they wanted to see the changes.
There's a lot of books, a lot more books than they had before, and a lot of them are really good, and a lot of them are different than books we have at the school library.
But the newly expanded library isn't all about books.
If you have your library card, we can do it right from here.
Head librarian Rachel Charette says a computer lab and special events room are just some of the new additions. Perhaps the coolest new feature at the library is the self-checkout, where patrons can take home materials and not have to wait in line.
We're the first, I believe, in Ingham County to have the self-check where patrons can come up, they slide in their card just like an ATM, put all their books down, it automatically checks it out for them, gives them a receipt, and they can go out the door.
The Wickham twins aren't the only ones impressed with the library.
Oh, I'm amazed. And the books, you know, I won't live long enough to catch up on all of the books that are in here now, you know.
In Lansing, Maria Toko, ABC 53 News Express.
MSU and Kalamazoo.